अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारे साथ एक बहुत प्यारी सी बच्ची मेरा मौजूद है। मेरा आपको सुनाएंगी फोनिक्स। ठीक है, तो लेट्स सी। मेरा का थोड़ा सा टेस्ट लेते हैं, देखते हैं मेरा के फोनिक्स आते हैं या नहीं। इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ मेरा।
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mirha Rehan, and I'm going to teach you all the sounds.
विच साउंड इज इट?
Which sound is this?
बताइए।
Eh. Which sound is this? B. B. Which sound is this? Which sound is this? D. D. Which sound is this? Eh. Eh. Which sound is this? Which sound is this? G. G. Which sound is this? H. H. Which sound is this? I. I. Which sound is this? J. J. Which sound is this? Which sound is this? Mm. Mm. Which sound is this? Mm. Mm. Which sound is this? Mm. Mm. Which sound is this? Oh. Oh. Which sound is this?
Qu-
B. B. Which sound is this? Qu. Qu. Which sound is this? R. R. Which sound is this? S. S. Which sound is this? Which sound is this? Which sound is this? V. Which sound is this? W. W. Which sound is this? Y. Y.
Kiss.
Which sound is this? Y. Y. Which sound is this? S.
Very good, Mirha. You did good job. Thank you, Mirha. इसी तरह हमने बच्चों को रोजाना मशक करानी है, रोजाना उनकी प्रैक्टिस के साथ साथ उनकी फोनिक्स को इम्प्रूव हमने और आपने बैठकर इसी तरह करना है। शुक्रिया। और मीरा को भी हम थैंक यू कहेंगे कि मीरा ने आज हमें बहुत अच्छी तरह सिखाया। बाय।